Hi everyone, as you can see, I am already in my kitchen and I'm going to discuss some daily English with you today. I'm going to discuss how to make chapati. Let's start. Okay everyone, look, আমরা যে এই যে flour এটাকে যে আমরা ছাঁকি, এটা একটা ছাঁকনি, you can see that, right? So এটাকে আমরা ইংলিশে এভাবে বলবো, I am sifting the flour. You can see that. I am sifting the flour. Now you can see আমি এই ডোটাকে বানাচ্ছি. So this is how you say that in English. I am kneading the dough. I am kneading the dough. Okay guys, you know what I'm doing now is I am making balls. I am making balls. Alright, now রুটি বেলাকে আমরা roll out করি. So you can see what I'm doing now. I am rolling out chapati. I am rolling out chapati. Okay, রুটি শাকাকে আমরা bake বলি. And now I am, you can see, baking chapati. I am baking chapati. Okay, রুটিকে উল্টিয়ে দেয়াকে আমরা বলি flip. So what I'm doing now is I am flipping chapati. Look, I am flipping. I flip this way, though I'm not very good at it. I am flipping chapati. Guys, ruti folanoke amra puff up boli. As you can see in here, I am puffing up the chapati. And this is the chapati I have made today. And if you have liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to hit the like and share button. Thank you. Cheers.